And the most important thing is that Rupa Shiksha, because the seeds of all those instructions given to Rupa Goswami, those were the seeds which later manifested in the beautiful fruits of all of his writings. All those teachings are the sutras. If you go and examine tightly and very, very deeply, there's no tikas, very much developed commentaries on the shlokas of Chaitanya Charitamrita. But if someone can describe those shlokas of Rupa Shiksha from chapter, whatever, 2021, whatever it is, or Sanatan Shiksha and Rupa Shiksha, you'll see in each of those shlokas in Bengali that Krishnadas Kaviraj has summarized all the teachings of Rupa Goswami, which are of course in Sanskrit, but he's given sutras to include all the teachings of Rupa Goswami in Bengali. Because so the majority of Gaudiya Vaishnavas who only know Bengali language and not the complicated Sanskrit, they could easily understand the essential teachings of Rupa Goswami. It's a summary of all of his teachings from Upadeshamrita and Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, Laghu Bhagavatamrita, everywhere, all those books. It's quite amazing. You see, everything he wrote is simply an expansion of one or two or more of those shlokas from the teachings that he received from Lord Chaitanya at the holy abode of Prayag. It's called Prayag Tirtha.